My name is Varsha. I am studying 7th class in MPUP school, AD Golapalam, Padaganyam of Chiraganyam.
O forms. Think.
Think, thought.
Come.
Came, come.
Will.
Would.
Fail.
Fail.
No.
Knew, known.
Begin.
Began.
Listen.
Do, did, done.
Send.
Sent.
Answer.
Answered.
Question.
Questioned.
Reply.
Replied.
Say.
Said.
Prepare.
Prepared.
Follow.
Followed.
Decide.
Decided.
Notice.
Noticed.
Go.
Went, gone.
Avoid.
Avoided.
Seem.
Seemed. Needed.
Help.
Helped.
Act.
Acted.
Find.
Found. Can. Could. Waited. Ordered.
Choose. Live.
Lived. Leave. Left.
See.
Saw.
Reach. Repeat.
Repeated. Work.
Breathe.
Breathed. Breathed.
Ask.
Asked.
Learn.
Listen.
Speak.
Spoken.
Take.
Took, taken.
Sit.
Sat. Sat.
Dig.
Dug.
Stop.
Stopped.
Repeat.
Repeated.
Stand.
Stood.
Stretch.
Stretched. Continued.
Pass.
Passed.
Stick.
Stuck.
Tell.
Told.
Return.
Return.
Run.
Ran.
Good.